What is the minimum % of chromium is needed to make stainless steel? A2, B20, C1, D11. The correct answer is 11. Which of the following corrosives that induce intergranular corrosion in austenitic stainless steel? A. Acetic acid. B. Acetic acid salicylic acid. C. Ammonium nitrate. D. Acetic acid salicylic acid ammonium nitrate. The correct answer is acetic acid salicylic acid ammonium nitrate. What is the structure of chromium carbide that precipitates at the grain boundaries? A. Acicular structure. B. leaf-like structure. C. lamellar structure. D. no specific structure. The correct answer is leaf-like structure. What is the molecular formula of chromium carbide formed due to the depletion of chromium in 18-8 stainless steel? A. Cr3C. B. Cr5C3. C. Crc. D. Cr23C6. The correct answer is Cr23C6. Which of the following are more reactive in intergranular corrosion? A. Grain. B. Grain boundary. C. Both grain and grain boundary. D. Neither grain nor grain boundary. The correct answer is grain boundary. Which of the following areas are corroded in the intergranular corrosion of stainless steel? A. Grain only. B. Grain boundary only. C. Chromium depleted zone near the grain boundary. D. Both grain and grain boundary. The correct answer is chromium depleted zone near the grain boundary. Which of the following are the causes of intergranular corrosion? A. Impurities at the grain boundaries. B. Enrichment of one of the alloying elements at the grain boundary. C. Depletion of one of the alloying elements at the grain boundary. D. Impurities at the grain boundaries, enrichment and depletion of one of the alloying elements at the grain boundary. The correct answer is impurities at the grain boundaries, enrichment and depletion of one of the alloying elements at the grain boundary. Which of the following corrosion type is depicted in the given figure? A. Intergranular corrosion. B. Galvanic corrosion. C. Crevice corrosion. D. Pitting corrosion. The correct answer is intergranular corrosion. Which of the following term is associated with intergranular corrosion in welded structures? A. Intergranular weld. B. Weld failure. C. Weld decay. D. Weld corrosion. The correct answer is weld decay. Which of the following alloys are prone to intergranular corrosion? A. Iron in aluminum. B. Zinc in brass. C. 18-8 stainless steel. D. Iron in aluminum, zinc in brass and 18-8 stainless steel. The correct answer is iron in aluminum, zinc in brass and 18-8 stainless steel. Which of the following characteristics of the impoverished area results in a rapid corrosion attack? A. Less corrosion resistance. B. The high content of chromium. C. The large unfavorable area ratio. D. Less corrosion resistance and large unfavorable area ratio. The correct answer is less corrosion resistance and large unfavorable area ratio. What is intergranular corrosion? A. Localized attack at the grain boundaries. B. Localized attack at the grain faces. C. Uniform attack on grains. D. Localized attack at and adjacent to the grain boundaries. The correct answer is localized attack at and adjacent to the grain boundaries. Electric arc welding is used more than the gas welding for stainless steel to reduces the chances of weld decay. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Numerous failures of 18-8 stainless steel have occurred in the temperature range of 950 to 1450 floor. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Which of the following is used to visualize the heat flow and temperatures during welding? A. Weld decay. B. Intergranular corrosion. C. Tablecloth analogy. D. Weld decay and intergranular corrosion. The correct answer is tablecloth analogy.